Hey guys, here's a fan I got a couple days ago. This is a Harbor Breeze Cobra Elite ceiling fan. I got this at Habitat a couple days ago. It's a really cool fan. I like this. I love the like it has like sort of spotlight bullet lights with their and they're like halogen bulbs inside there too. And like you can like move them around too. But this fan, it's from October of 2004, and they also made Harbor Breeze also came out with what's it called? Oh, the Vector Elite, which is it's sort of like this sort of. It kind of has like that weird, unique look to it. But that one's all triangle themed. Like it's all gray and it has triangles. This one is more kind of like a streamlined design to it. And it has like a pretty cool blades. It's kind of like a pitch too, on like an angle. And then there's like the Harbor Breeze logo right there. Never got this fan, didn't have any screws for the motor, so I had to go get some, but I found some. I'll show you the blades. So it has like I believe this is plywood finish. It's plywood blades, and it has, I think, yeah, it's plywood on the other side too. And there's the top. Just has like a spinner motor. It's basically just a spinner motor, bottom mounted spinner. But I'll show the light, and all the lights still work too. These halogen bulbs are starting to get hard to find, and I love this like kit because I can like point them wherever I want. Like I can point them back there because I can't. There's not really any lights back there, so I can like see like my fans back there. And then I also have it pointed, that bulb pointing to my desk fans over here. So now turn on to low. It's a 48-inch fan too. And I don't know why, but it has really bad buzzing problems. So it just like vibrate constantly. I don't know if you can hear it. But I believe it's the blades vibrating. And I like how it has kind of like a newer look to it, even though it is 20 years old. It looks like it's 10 years old. I'm sorry blowing that fan around. The only problem with it is that the lights get really hot really quickly. Up to medium. And also because of the weird blade design, it wobbles a lot. And I don't know why, but the light gets also, it's just loose by itself, but with the wobble it makes the light shake even more. Just pulling the air cooler around. It blows really good air though. I mean, this is medium speed. And even has kind of like wood grain, plywood finish on the side of the motor. For high speed. Oh, and I forgot to show, but there's the Harbor Breeze logo right there. And later they also, Westinghouse bought this design from Harbor Breeze. I don't know when, but these fans are still sold today, but they're under Westinghouse. I think they're called just the plain Elite. Moving all my fans around, surprisingly. It blows a lot of air. Sounds like a helicopter too, with the 3 blades. That buzzing is so loud, it's so annoying. Is the lighting on? I don't know why, but recently there hasn't been really that many good ceiling fans at like Habitat or like Marketplace recently, and they're in like my area because they just like come and go. That's why I've been just getting so many desk fans recently, because there hasn't really been that many good ceiling fans I've seen. Turn it off. So yeah, that's it. Bye.